Apple offers lively colors for the standard iPhones, whereas the Pro models usually come in summer colors. A recent rumor said that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will be available in pink/rose gold, green, blue, yellow, orange, and black. A leaked image gives us a good sense of what the green shade will look like. Twitter leaker Majin Buu has posted an image of a dummy model of the green iPhone 15. It's a soft pale green shade, kind of like light pistachio green. The leaker says the color will be similar to the hue previously seen on the iPhone 12. We only get to see the rear portion and bottom of the unit in the images, which has a USB-C port instead of a Lightning port for charging and transferring data, and slightly softer edges than the current models. Majin Buu isn't really sure if the green iPhone 15 will be available at launch and says that it's more likely to be released as a spring color next year. The regular iPhone 15 models will reportedly have the dynamic island that was introduced with the iPhone 14 Pro instead of a notch, as well as last year's Pro lineup's 48-megapixel primary camera. It will probably be powered by the A16 Bionic chip. The Standard and Plus models are also expected to have slimmer bezels and larger camera bumps. Whether these changes will be enough to make the new phones one of the best handsets of the year remains to be seen. One thing that may work in the favor of the lower-end models is that, unlike the Pros, they aren't expected to go up in price, at least in the US. Apple will announce the new lineup on September 12 during the Fall Wonderlust event, and the phones will reportedly go on sale on September 22. Images purporting to reveal Apple's official wallpapers for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max have been doing the rounds on China's Weibo platform, following the S-curved wallpaper and packaging leak. The wallpaper is a concept render transposed onto Apple's marketing material for the iPhone 14 Pro models. The wallpapers shown are said to be based on colorway rumors for the iPhone 15 Pro models and a hand-drawn image allegedly leaked by an engineer in a Chinese iPhone factory. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.